If you work with tables and figures in Microsoft Word, chances are you've run into this problem before. Your captions look inconsistent, the font doesn't match the rest of the document, or the style just doesn't feel polished. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the style of table titles and figure captions in Microsoft Word, so everything looks clean, professional, and consistent across your document. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Words document. You can use any document that already has table titles or figure captions in it, or you can start with a new file if you want to practice along with me. What we're going to do is edit the built-in caption style, because that's the style Word uses for most table titles and figure captions. Once your document is open, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. On the Home tab, look for the Styles section. If you don't see all the styles right away, click the small arrow or the Styles pane launcher to open the full Styles panel. In that list, find the style called Caption. This is the key step because instead of changing each caption one by one, we're going to update the style itself, and Word will apply that change everywhere the caption style is used. Now right-click on Caption and choose Modify. This opens the Modify Style window, which gives you control over how your table titles and figure captions will appear throughout the document. Inside this window, you can change the font to match your report or thesis, adjust the size so the captions are easier to read, pick a different color if needed, and even change the alignment if you want the caption centered, left-aligned, or formatted in a specific way. If you want all of your captions to stay consistent automatically, make sure to check Automatically Update. This is especially useful if you plan to reuse the same formatting throughout a long document. Once you've made your changes, review the preview carefully to make sure the style looks the way you want. Then click OK to save the new caption style. After that, Word will update all captions and table titles that use the caption style, which means your changes will apply across the entire document without you having to format each one individually. That's why this method is so powerful. It saves time, keeps your document consistent, and gives your tables and figures a much more polished appearance. If you have existing captions that were manually formatted in different ways, you may need to apply the caption style to them first so they follow the new formatting. But once the style is set correctly, future captions will stay uniform too. This is one of the best ways to maintain a professional look in academic papers, business reports, manuals, and any document with lots of tables and figures. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the style of table titles and figure captions in Microsoft Word the smart way. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.